Do motorcycles need turn signals in Colorado? Motorcycles are a popular mode of transportation in Colorado, especially during the warmer months. However, motorcycle riders are more vulnerable to accidents than other motorists. This is why it is crucial to follow all traffic laws and regulations as well as best practices to reduce the likelihood of injury. Colorado law does not require you to use or possess turn signals, but it is in your best interests to use them. Colorado law requires motorcycles to possess several safety components but does not require motorcycles to possess turn signals. If your bike has turn signals, you are not required to use them on Colorado roads. Although not legally required, there are good reasons why you should use them to reduce the likelihood of a dangerous accident. Colorado's motorcycle equipment requirements. Before riding your motorcycle, you should make sure all the parts and required safety equipment are present and functioning properly. You should check brakes, tires and fluids to avoid a dangerous vehicle breakdown. You should also check to make sure all safety equipment and lights are functional. Under Colorado Revised Statute Section 42(4)-208, your motorcycle must include a headlight and at least one stop light if manufactured in 1958 or later. Additionally, any street-operated motorcycle must include separate seats and footrests for each passenger, horn, rear reflector, brake light, brake for at least one wheel, rear view mirror, helmets for any riders under the age of 18. Colorado Revised Statute Section 414208(3) names motorcycles and low-power scooters as exceptions to the requirement for electronic turn signals on all motor vehicles. Cars, trucks, trailers and other motor vehicles must have operational turn signals and operators can receive a ticket if they do not use them properly. Motorcyclists are not at risk of a ticket, fines, or other penalties. The benefits of using turn signals on motorcycles. Using turn signals is not only a legal requirement, but it also has several benefits. Here are some of the benefits of using turn signals on motorcycles. Increases visibility. Prevents confusion. Reduces accidents. Tips for using turn signals on motorcycles. Always use turn signals. Use signals early. Check signals regularly. Be predictable. Use both signals. Don't be afraid to signal early. What if you are blamed for a motorcycle accident for not using a turn signal? If you're a motorcyclist who's been in an accident in Colorado, you may be worried about the possibility of being blamed for the incident. One common tactic insurers may use is to claim that you failed to use a turn signal, therefore causing or contributing to the crash. However, it's important to understand that, legally speaking, this is not a valid defense in Colorado. As a result, failing to use a turn signal cannot be used as a basis for denying liability for an accident. It's perfectly within your rights to ride your motorcycle without turn signals, and an insurer or defendant cannot use their absence against you. However, just because the law does not mandate turn signals on motorcycles, it doesn't mean that insurers won't still try to use this argument to reduce the amount of compensation you can recover. An experienced motorcycle accident lawyer in Denver at our firm can fight to make sure you get full and fair compensation for your case. In Colorado, the concept of comparative negligence applies to personal injury cases, including motorcycle accidents. Comparative negligence means that the amount of compensation you're entitled to can be reduced in proportion to your degree of fault for the accident. If an insurer argues that you failed to use a turn signal and therefore contributed to the accident, they may try to use this as evidence of your comparative negligence. However, your lawyer can fight back against this tactic by demonstrating that there was no legal requirement for you to use a turn signal. If you've been injured in a motorcycle accident in Colorado, it's crucial to consult with an experienced attorney as soon as possible. At Front Range Injury Attorneys, our team of skilled motorcycle accident attorneys has years of experience representing clients in Denver and throughout Colorado. We understand the tactics insurers use to deny or minimize claims and can develop a strategic plan to counter these arguments. We offer a free consultation to discuss your case and answer any questions you may have.